Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my current favorite pasta dish because I just love pasta. I'm addicted to it. I think it's fantastic. You can, eat it with so many things. I just love it. So let's get into this. You want to start out with some butter in a pan and you want to add some olive oil and let that melt together. Then you want to put in your mushrooms, and I used frozen ones that already had some onion in it. You can do like extra onion or you can do it without onion. It totally depends on your taste. You want to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Then you want to add some flour and give that a good mix. This will help so that the sauce gets to be a very nice texture in the end. Then you want to gradually add in the vegetable stock and mix while you go. And just repeat that with the red wine. And then you want to let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Meanwhile, you want to cut down your tomatoes. I decided to cut them quite small because I wanted the mushrooms to be the star of the show and the tomatoes be more like additional flavor. After those 10 to 15 minutes, you can mix those in. And then you want to also add some tomato paste. And we're gonna do a good mix after every step, so just prepare for a lot of mixing. Then you want to add some sugar, some pepper, some salt, and just use it to taste. So just make sure that it tastes good and then you have enough of everything. Just mix it again. And last but not least, we're gonna put in 1 clove of garlic, pressed, and mix that in as well. Now you want to turn this to low or no heat and put a lid on it and just let that sit for another like 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to prepare your pasta. And when that's done, you want to remove the lid. And then you want to give it a quick mix again and pour in the pasta. And then you basically want to mix it all together so all the pasta is covered in sauce, and then you're ready to serve this. You can sprinkle a little bit of herbs on top. I think that would be really nice and very pretty. And this is just delicious. It's perfect for the winter weather that we're still having right now. But I can see this working for autumn as well, whatever you like. I hope you give it a try and I will talk to you soon. Bye!